Hello everyone. Here we are on day 3 of the hypothesis test project. How exciting. And I made a to-do list. Alright, first up, watch this video. Man, already done. It's 5 things to do. You already did the first thing. Doing great. Alright, number 2, finish up the review and submit it. It is due tonight at midnight, so for those of you who haven't finished that yet, please do that. That is chapter 7 stuff. Oh, Kitty's saying hello. Come on, buddy. Okay. Number 3, do you need a retake? I graded the chapter 7 tests. Well, that doesn't make any sense. We're in chapter 7. Chapter 6 tests. So you need to fill out the retake form, which is on the Schoology site, by Thursday if you want to retake that. Remember, you can retake even just a couple problems if you want to, or retake the whole thing. Up to you and how well you did. So, but it has to be done by Thursday. Number 4, do you have your data for your project? If you don't, you need 20 data points. If you don't have it, get it. That means you might get desperate at this point. You might still need like 5 data points. So today might be your day to redo your calculator and get an extra 5 names. And then in your project itself, all you need to say is, hey, I didn't have enough people respond even though I sent out 25 of them, and I had to pull out another 5 names at the end to get enough data. So make sure that if that's the case that you do that. For number 5, you need to start creating your infographic. Details are going to be submitted separately. Remember, your project is due Tuesday at midnight. So there are basically 2 things that you have to do for your project. You have to do a just one page infographic. And if you go to that hypothesis test project sheet that I had, which was like Wednesday that I posted that, about exactly how I was going to be grading you, it has like a site that you go to there to make your infographic. I think all of the free infographic ones that I saw were all like 3 pages, but you can easily delete, I think it's delete a block and delete a whole page at a time. You just need a title on there, what your claim was, what probably your H sub O and your H sub A was, and then what the data was that you got and what your conclusion is. And maybe make it look pretty. All of your details, like all of the math that you actually did, and the answers to the questions that I did write on the hypothesis test guidelines that I will be grading, need to be submitted separately. And there will be like a thing on Tuesday that will have a place for you to submit that. So questions that you need to make sure that you answer. So make sure that you look at that hypothesis test grading rubric to see exactly what I'm looking for. Okay? So anyway, it's just a work day. Finish up that review and then, get working on your infographic and your data. If you have any questions about the hypothesis test project, about how to do the math or how to collect the data, or if something's going wrong, make sure you email me and let me know, and I will respond to it ASAP and get you some help. All right. Bye, guys.